Hello, my name is Mark Boice with Shiftless, SoCal, California, and welcome to Rides and Wrecks. What we have here is a 1969 Corvette. We're actually getting ready to deliver the car, but we need to shake it down. We need to test drive it, make sure the cooling's good, the brakes are good, and the suspension is tight. Let's go for a cruise. Looks like we're just going to get up here, go to this freeway, jump on there, and see how this baby handles. We just passed a policeman.
What year is it?
69. Pretty awesome, huh? We're just getting high fives and everything else all around us. People are thumbs upping us. Car's pretty cool, color's pretty awesome. We're getting ready to get on the freeway. We got two trucks in front of us, which kind of not good for us to jump on there real quick. But let's just see how this goes. Our operating temperature is about 180 right now. We have our volts at 13.5 about. Our oil pressure is right around 50, which is good. There we got three trucks in front of us. Yippee-yay-ki-yay. So we won't be able to buzz up that ramp and just jump on the freeway. We'll have to do from a dead stop. Let's see how this baby runs. So far, so good. No rattles, no weird noises coming. Let's do this. Let's do this. We're going to get caught in traffic right out of the gate. Yeah, a little busy on the freeway this morning. Let's see how she rides. Riding pretty good. We're at 70 miles an hour, 2,500 RPM. Little lane switch there. Suspension feels pretty tight. Steering wheel's pretty responsive. Our engine temperature hasn't gone up any, so that's good news, especially for a Corvette. Our oil pressure is holding strong. I'm really worried about these clouds. In California, it doesn't rain that often, but we just went into a dark area here, and it could just start downpouring on us any moment. We're gonna jump around, see what we can do here. We're hitting 80, 90. Okay, we're gonna back off right there. We don't need any speeding tickets today. I'll wait for that for another day. But you can feel how smooth it is. The camera's riding smooth, handheld, and let's see if we can turn around on the freeway. There's a really nice ramp up there that we can cruise around, hopefully. Looks like there's some traffic on the other side going back in the direction that we need to go. But we'll just play it by ear, see if we can make it work. Here we go! Better back down, better back down. We're running a standard points ignition on this thing. I think we're gonna probably switch to the electronic. I think we'll get a little more juice out of this. Got to put it in gear, Mark. So we're getting ready to do this freeway down this ramp. It looks like it's going to be pretty crowded and everything. Doesn't look like we're going to be able to do much here. Clouds are coming in strong. Looks like rain. I can feel a little bit of drizzle top of my top here. So I think we're going to call it a day. May have to go out and do this again. My name is Mark with Scared Shiftless, SoCal, California, and I want to thank you for watching Rides and Wrecks. Remember to subscribe to our channel for some really cool tips, tricks for your classic car, muscle car, and other. Yeah, baby. Let's do this.